Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor. We are all dressed up tonight and we are ready to celebrate. New Year's is coming and we also hit our subscription goal for last month. So if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button, like us, leave us a comment because we got another goal next month. But more importantly, really the most important thing is New Year's is coming. And we need to celebrate, so what better way to celebrate is a cocktail. Tonight's cocktail is going to have bubbles in it. So, we are making what we call the Winter Wonderland. It's an easy cocktail to make, so let's get pouring. We're going to start with a prepared glass. Now what I've done is I've taken a Martini glass. You can use a champagne flute if you like, and just put a little bit of simple syrup on the rim of it, and coated it with confectionary sugar. Kind of makes it look like snowfall. And we start putting ingredients in there. The first one we're using is Blue Curacao, and we're going to use about a half an ounce that goes in there. That goes in the bottom of the glass. Next, we're using vodka. What's New Year's without vodka? And we are going to use about a half an ounce of that in there. And that goes in there. Next, edible glitter. We're using silver, and to make this New Year's drink you use silver. If you want to make it a St. Patrick's drink, you use gold. So that goes in there. And last, we top it off with sparkling wine. Tonight we're using champagne, cooked champagne. You can use champagne, you can use Prosecco, you can use Asti, anything with bubbles in it that you want, it'll work. And we put that in there, give it a pour, and that is what we call Winter Wonderland. We're going to give it a real quick mix, and there you go. Happy New Year. Oh, Happy New Year. Thanks everybody. Happy 2023 coming up.